Hello everyone. Now I am going to teach about if-else and else-if statements. If-else and else-if statement. Coming to the if-else and else-if statement, if statement will only tell us that if a condition is true, then if statement will execute. If the condition is false, then else statement will be executed. Here I mentioned some examples regarding if-else and else-if statements. If I equal to 10, 10 is allocating in I. So here 10 is equal to 10. If statement will true, then the pointer will enter into this statement. Here, if 10 is less than 14, then print statement will execute. I is smaller than 15. Again, if 10 is less than 12, then if condition is true. So here again this statement will execute. I is smaller than 12 too. So this is the output. And here A equal to 33, B equal to 44. If 33 is greater than 44, this condition is false. So this statement will not execute. Again, else if A is equal to B, 33 is not equal to 44. Again this condition is false. So the statement will not execute. The statement will not print. Here 33 is less than 44. This condition is true. So this statement will execute. A is greater than B. So another example. A equal to 999, B equal to 888. If A is greater than B, here 999 is greater than 888. So here this condition is true. So print statement will execute. Now I am going to tell about while loop statement. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. Here are some examples regarding while loop statement. Here I is equal to 1. 1 is allocating in I. While 1 is less than 7, this condition is true. Then what will happen here? Print statement I will print here. So 1. Again here 1 I plus equal to I plus equal to 1 means I equal to I plus 1 means I is updating. This 1 is updating to 2. 2 is less than 7. Again this condition is true. Print 2. Again I will be incremented. 3. 3 is less than 7. Again this condition is true. 3 will print here. Print I. Again 3 is updated to 4. 4 is less than 7. Again this condition is true. Print 4. Again this I will be incremented to 5. 5 is less than 7. Again this print statement will execute here. 5. 5 will be upgraded to 6. 6 is less than 7. This condition is true. Again 6 will be print here. Now this will be updated to 7. 7 is less than 7. This statement false. So here output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming to another example, I equal to 1 while 1 is less than 7. This condition is true. Print 1. Again what will happen here? If 1 is equal to 4, this condition is false. So it will terminate it. And here I will be incremented to 2. 2 is less than 7. Again print 2. Again this condition is false. So this I value will be incremented to 3. Print I. Here 3 I value. Again 3 is equal to 4. This condition is false. So here I will be incremented to 4. So 4 is less than 7. Print I value here 4. Here if statement 4 is equal to 4. This condition is true. So the pointer will enter into this condition. Here what the statement given break statement is there. So the pointer will be terminated. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming to the third example, name here not given anything. So while name is not equal to your name, this condition will be true. Print type any name. Here what we mentioned here in this name equal to input. So here we can write anything. Swaroop. And here print statement will be executed. Thank you. Coming to this example, by true. Here, what is in the definition? With a while loop, we can execute a set of statement as long as the condition is true. This condition is true. So this statement, print statement, will execute as long as this condition will be false. So what will happen here? Print statement will print here hi side. Again, while true, condition is true, the statement will repeat. So the statement is repeated n number of times, infinity times. So this will be the output.